What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at Apple technical analysis breakdown on the daily time frame. So Apple has been one of the stronger stocks. We did have a little bit of a bounce coming off the bottom the past couple of weeks on some names. And especially realistically over the past 5-6 days, Apple has really looked strong. So Apple was one of the first stocks to reclaim its 50-day moving average. We put in a high over that 50-day moving average. We made another attempt to take that out, got stuffed at the Bollinger Bands. What I was looking at on Apple, even though we did close red today, Apple is still setting up nicely to the long side. Okay, this is nothing more than a little bit of a pullback and a consolidation. What we're going to look at, and we'll have trades set up on both sides, so we're obviously ready. But anything over Friday's highs here, which is going to be a price of 147.69, I am looking to get long over that 147.50 price point, and I'm going to look to target this 150 151 area. That area that I'm targeting is the 100 EMA. Okay, that's the next supply zone that I'm looking to target. We also had some rejection in this area before here, so that's why I'm going to look to clean up my profits right around that area. So where we close today on Apple is not necessarily a bad thing, but it's not the best thing. What we would have wanted to see is a close a little bit more towards the top of the range here, even if we did go sideways for another 1 or 2 days and then look for that top side breakout here. So we did come down and we tested this linear regression here. You can see it was a rejection point here, it was resistance here, and once we got over it here, we had a nice little rally. But once we lost this linear regression channel, we came down to lows of 129. When we rounded back up, it acted as an area of resistance. We got pushed down, and when we finally got back over it this time, we put in a nice little 2-day run up. So as we're right here approaching this area, Apple still looks strong. It just came in and tested its 5-day moving average, which anytime you have a multiple day run like the run that Apple has had, a nice pullback into the 5-day moving average is always a bullish thing if we can continue to hold. So as long as Apple stays over the 5-day moving average on a daily time frame, we will still be long biased. Like I said, I'm going to look to take a long position, and you guys can do your own due diligence as well, but I'm trying to help you out with my technical levels here. Over 147.58, 147.60, that area, I will look to get long. Now, if the market does want to pull back, if the show is over, if the good times are over, and we start to confirm today's low price, well, I will look to get short below 143.81, and I'm going to target the 20 and 10-day moving average down here at around 141.50. So I'm going to look to target around $1.50, $2 move to the downside, and obviously to the top side. You already know my levels that I just kind of mentioned there. So let Apple kind of set up, let it do its thing. Don't get stuck in the chop if we go into a 1-2 day chop fest here. We got CPI data coming out. Normally we always have, a big move, right? Anytime, we get any Fed talks or any numbers or anything like that, we always get, some sideways consolidation. There's a lot of chop, volume starts to dry up. The market waits for the news to happen, and then boom, it either explodes up or it explodes down. So definitely this week be a little bit more cautious, size down a little bit, and it would be smart of you guys and myself to kind of wait for the macro plays, especially if you guys are trading options. We need room in the trade for the trades to work. We can't just get in, and we're not trading equities, right? So we're not going to take 1,000 shares, 5,000 share lots of Apple and look for 10 cents. We need $1, $2 on the stock, at least on Apple, for us to, even be appetizing to make some money. So like I said, let's wait till we get over this area here, which is Friday's highs, or let's wait till we confirm today's lows and then target the next demand zone here, which is the 10 and 20-day moving average. Right now is the best time for you guys to learn how to day trade. In a bear market, if you guys can learn technical analysis well enough and learn your emotions well enough and build your strategy well enough right now, then when we come out of this, you are going to be in the driver's seat to control your destiny. And as much as a cliche as that sounds, if you can trade this environment that we're in here and consistently make money, then when the market gets a lot easier, you guys are going to absolutely kill it. But if you don't know what you're doing and you keep spinning your wheels in the dirt and you keep trying to go long because you keep thinking that this is the bottom, this is the bottom, this is the bottom, and you just chop yourself up, you're doing yourself an injustice. Please learn technical analysis. educate yourself. Right now is the best time to educate yourself. Instead of throwing money into the market, go buy all the trading books that you can buy. Go find yourself a mentor. Go find yourself a trading community. Go find yourself, someone to learn off of. Go find yourself someone to kind of follow their signals and kind of understand what they're doing. Go find a trading buddy that's going to hold you accountable. If you guys are looking for that, join my Discord. If you guys are looking for a strategy, visit evolutiontraders.com. If you guys want to trade with other people who are doing this each and every single day, then join the community. And there's going to be people there that you can bounce your ideas off of. You can see what other people are doing. And right now is the time to do that, guys. Right now is not the time to sit and cry and watch your long-term portfolios bleed out. Right now is the time to take control of your trading portfolio, take control of your trading career, take control of the bear market, and actually start to make money. Guys, one of the biggest things that a lot of traders have a problem with is their own self. As soon as you can master yourself, the trading comes easy. As soon as you can disconnect yourself from the dollar amount, the trading becomes easy, but you're going to need someone to help you get there. If you're looking for that help, join my Discord. I will help you guys. I take on 5 to 10 students a month. I try to keep it close knit until that group gets a firm grasp and understanding of how to trade on their own. Because at the end of the day, guys, it's not just about getting someone's signals and copycatting their trades. It's about learning how to do this yourself. God forbid that person you're getting signals from, or trying just to follow off of Twitter, God forbid their account gets deleted, or something worse happens to them and they're no longer around. What are you going to do? You're going to be holding your in your hands and not really understanding how to do this stuff. You got to learn how to do this stuff on your own and take accountability for your actions and take accountability for your money, guys. I hope that makes sense. I'll see you guys all in the Discord this week. I'll see the rest of you guys back on YouTube, and if you guys continue to be on the fence, we'll then continue to lose money playing the guessing game. But I will see you guys, the rest of you guys, tomorrow.